Yep. Thank you for the invitation. Firstly, that was a really nice forum to present something and to participate, of course. I will talk a little bit about how Perstorp as a company see the opportunities within the sustainable chemistry in the future. And I'm working within innovation as a principal scientist, and I'm also a adjunct professor at Chalmers at Chemical Technology. So I have a little bit of the part of myself within the academia. Perstorp in brief, yeah, we are specialty chemicals company, and last year was, as for the many of companies, not so good, but turnover is generally a bit above 1 billion SEK, and we export everything. But what is most important from that picture is the right-hand side, and that is the how we see our future, our vision for the future, and our complete focus is to become fossil-free company in the future. Despite we even stretch ourselves behind that, then we looked not just on the fossil raw material, but also energy and catalysts and waste and water and so on. Hopefully we will reach that. And the last one, what is not here, and that we also decided that until before 2030, within 8 years, I will say we will reduce our carbon capture release both on scope 1 and 2 at UN definition for 30%. So we are really focusing to reach the goal. And but to understand what we will, how to do that, we also know our business, and I'm showing you our business. What is our business? We're selling the specialty chemicals, you can say, acids, alcohols. You have the some small slides about that here, what you can find on the net, but within different markets. Here is aviation, engine oils, hydraulic fluids, refrigeration, lubricants, dielectric fluids, and so on. And that there are all our chemicals like valeric acid, polyalcohols, and so on, which some trade names here. The other business area important for us is Resins and Coatings, and also there are a lot of business we are selling to, both for the cationic curing, coating, alkyds, polyester, polyurethane dispersion, name it, radiation curing, name it. The idea here is to show you that we are involved in different business as real specialty chemicals company, and we are selling formulations and chemicals, and we will do that in the future, but the changing the focus, everything will be sustainable. That is our main idea. By the way, I would like to say that more than 95% of our raw material today is fossil based. So just to jump within 3 years to the 1/3, not to be, it's great challenge. And I'm not going to send all the presentation to be visible to everyone, but part of presentation will be. But that is just one example how we see how we will grow within the and our roadmap towards the sustainability. And here you have those business areas on the left-hand side and our technology platforms, and we see also new opportunities. Idea with this picture, I'm going to show you some of this example here. Idea with this picture is just new opportunities, and within new opportunities we identify a few things: chemical recycling as a one, process intensification, electrochemistry, heterogeneous catalysis, carbon dioxide capture, sugar platform, industrial biotechnology, digitalization, and alkanes to olefins. So you can see a lot of opportunities and focus area we are working with. And most, or when you talk about chemistry, it's everything is about energy and raw materials, of course, but if you switch to carbon dioxide, that is, it will be all about energy, really. And I will show some of the project. Level is a Dutch finance project where we are electrocatalytically trying to produce valeric acid and octandiol from waste material, really, and that is the whole idea. And the project will end on the different polymer markets. That is main idea, and that is a research project, and we are most than half through the project. The second electrochemical project is from the another type of raw material, that is sugar, and sugar could be from tree, and the end is different kind of acids with different kind of technology. We have been working in the global consortia, that is EU finance project. Second is Swedish finance project. Third is Swedish finance project, which we are after the hydrogen, which is the one of the base materials, not just for the energy, but also for building chemicals. As a colleague shown on the first slide, one of the reaction, you have to have hydrogen, you have to have carbon, and that is the hydrogen part. And here is again bio material is as a source, and we are after producing the valuable chemicals and hydrogen. As you could see, that is just different sugars, but generally we are after valuable chemicals, and that is we just started that project. Glycerol is one part of the whole idea. Third, again, EU project with a electrocatalysis, where we are after vanillin from the lignin, and you can see here vanillin is just a so nice product when we can use it in different businesses. So that picture you can find somewhere in the program. And the last example I'm going to show you, and it's all about examples here, what we are doing, and just to understand the idea of what I started to talk about, and that is our project AIR. We decided a few months ago to start to produce methanol from carbon dioxide, capture carbon dioxide, and we ask for the investment that is quite novel technology, and that methanol production will be the largest methanol based on non-fossil material in the world when it started 2025, with the largest hydrogen water electrolysis to produce hydrogen needed for that project. So that is the today's situation is that we buying methanol from which is produced from natural gas, and then use that methanol in production of polyols. But in the future we will recycle and reuse the all energy what we have, use the biogas and produce methanol, which is the fossil free, and at the same time it is a drop-in technology. So that is a drop-in technology, unique in the type. You have not that example yet, and it will be really a big methanol production. We of course here is crucial to produce hydrogen by electrolysis. So that is which our partners will do and build the plant. Yeah, that I also said, and we will reduce about 500,000 tons of carbon dioxide, and that is about 1/3 of the Perstorp carbon dioxide production what we have today. So that is about it, what I mentioned to say about our strategy and our example towards as a roadmap towards the strategy.